Hello, class. So I just want to quickly explain something about writings. So hopefully you've gotten your first writing back by now. You've checked your email and you've got it. But you might be a little confused about the editing grade. So remember, the editing grade looks something like this, right? So I talk about counting how many mistakes and how many sentences you have and how many points you lose. So if you had 16 mistakes divided by 8 sentences, that would be 2. So that would be minus 2 points. But you might be having trouble understanding the marks for grammar, spelling, and punctuation and other aspects. So I'm going to quickly try to explain that in just a few minutes here. Let me clear all this. So you might see stuff that looks like this, right? Stuff that looks like this G here, this WF, this arrow, this S or P. You might even see like an X, right? So you might be confused and wondering what all of this means. Well, fortunately, I have a little guide for you, which is called the Writing Editing Guide. Well, should just call it the Editing Guide. But anyways, it's a very simple guide. All you have to do is find the circle with the correct letters. So you can see here, it says wrong form. So in the black, you see an example, a bad example. So the black shows a bad example, and the gray shows a good example, okay? Or the correct, I should say, shows the correct example. Okay, so you can see that here. So I didn't have a lot of space on this PPT, but I wanted to make it all in just one page so you could quickly see everything. So you just have to look. You can also see there's the arrow here, right? So the arrow just means that you are missing something, right? So you would see something like this, and you can see the correct answer is a pen. Okay, and same thing here, the X. So it wouldn't be this, not give it to for me, it would just be give it to me. Okay, so that's what you would see on your paper here, right? Like these. Okay. There's just one that's a little tricky to understand, and that's this one called missing info. And this just means like you didn't finish the sentence, or you left out you left out some information. You left out more than 1 or 2 words, like you left out like half the sentence is missing. So when you have that, that just means you really need to fix that sentence, because I don't even know what the problem is. Okay. Yeah, and hopefully this is pretty clear. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I will help you out. Okay. Take care and have a good day.